Here's the traditional content production model that most small and mid-sized companies still run. You brief an agency or freelancer. They ask for a 2-week turnaround. You get back 3 to 5 assets. You test them. 2 don't work. You go back for revisions. Another week. By the time you have something you can actually scale with, the campaign window has passed or your budget's already gone. The structural problem is that creative production has always been treated as specialist work. You needed photographers, video editors, image retouchers, motion designers. That meant time, coordination, and cost at every single step. AI has not only made individual parts of that process faster, it has eliminated entire categories of specialist dependency. And the operators who understand that are running a fundamentally different content engine than everyone else. Let me show you what that engine looks like in practice. The new workflow has 4 stages. I call it the pace stack, so you can increase the pace of building your content. And no, that's not a real industry acronym. I'm just going to use it to make this easy for you to remember. P, product asset. Generate your product imagery using AI. No studio, no photographer. A, ambassador. Create a consistent AI character to represent your brand. One build, infinite assets. No influencer negotiations, no usage rights headaches. C, campaign. Combine your product and your brand character into scene-ready visuals and video, done in minutes, not weeks. E, execute. Get ad-ready creatives out the door and into your media buying stack immediately. This entire stack, from product photo to launch-ready video, now runs inside a single platform. No file handoffs between tools, no agency in the middle, and every step is a form fill and a click away. No coding, no Photoshop, no technical skills required. Let me show you exactly how this runs. I'm going to walk you through the full workflow step by step. Same scenario as before, summer drink product launch, no existing assets. Make sure you open the Flow app and follow along. First, we need our primary product image, or the hero shot. Open Flow and either create a new project or select an existing one. In the chat bar at the bottom, click the Settings button next to the arrow. We're going to set the output format to image, the aspect ratio to 3:4, and the quantity to 4, so we have plenty of options. For the model, select Nano Banana 2. This is the latest and most capable version. Now, click the plus icon on the left to upload your product photo or a reference background. In the prompt field, describe your scene. For example, a summer beverage in a glass bottle, subtle mist effect, natural lighting, tropical background. You can also use tags to be specific, like product at drink placed in at background 1 with that shimmering dash light effects. Hit enter. And there you go, commercial quality product shots ready for the next stage. Next, we need to create our brand character. This is a 2-part process. Part 1, initial generation. Now, to create your brand character and keep their appearance consistent throughout your campaign, we are going to use the character feature in Flow. This is one of the latest updates from Google to help you organize your assets. Setup character. First, inside your project dashboard, just hover over the left sidebar and click on the Character tab. Right here, you'll see a few options. You can either browse through the ready-made prompt presets, or you can create your very own from scratch. For this example, I'm going to walk you through creating a custom character, and we'll set them up for 2 different scenarios. If you already have a reference image, let's start by using one clear profile photo of your character. Just click either Upload or Add from your project to bring it in. One important note, do not use photos of famous celebrities. The AI model will reject those images to follow standard safety guidelines. After a few seconds, Flow will process your file and drop you into the character setup interface. In this part, you can customize your character's voice profile, type in a few more details about their appearance so the system knows exactly how to generate them, and of course, give them a name. Next, if you are starting completely from scratch without a reference image, you will need to type in a prompt. Let's be as specific as possible about the gender, age, ethnicity, and the overall style that you want. Giving the system these details is important because it helps the AI lock in the exact look you're going for. For example, you might type something like full shot body of a young Asian female, age 20, K-pop idol aesthetic, flawless skin, wearing a minimalist summer outfit, white studio background, realistic style. Part 2, the concept sheet, identity locking. In this part, consistency is key. We're going to create a multi-angle sheet to really lock in the character's identity. Still in the character setup interface, we will generate a multi-angle version based on your previous result. To do this, you're going to type in this exact prompt: an asymmetric grid or catalog layout with a plain background and no text. Next, let's make sure to include a full body front and a full body back view, a side profile, 3 close-up portraits with different expressions, a neutral face, a gentle smile, and even a slightly frustrated look. I know this seems like a lot of detail, but this step is very important because it ensures the AI applies the exact same face to every future image or video. Now, let's bring the product and the character together. Part 1, integration. In the Flow interface, use the tagging feature to integrate your product from step 1 and your character from step 2. Use a prompt like character at model is holding product at drink in a lifestyle setting. This gives you a baseline composition. Part 2, generating different shots. To replace a traditional photo shoot, we'll generate a variety of angles. Now, we are going to use agent mode within Flow to handle this. Just go ahead and click the agent button to turn it on. Next, you'll want to type in your agent instructions. This is where you tell the AI about your campaign's mood, the overall visual style, or any other important details. Giving the system this context matters because it helps ensure all your visuals stay consistent throughout the project. After that, let's type in a prompt asking the agent to develop a 9-frame storyboard. We're going to build this based on the baseline composition you just created, making sure to select your relevant tags and references. The agent will then suggest a description for each of those 9 frames and ask for your confirmation before moving forward. Since I got no comments on these suggestions, I would head straight to the generation step. Here I set the output to 9 images with the aspect ratio of 9:16. In seconds, you'll have 10 high-end visual assets, 1 master shot and 9 creative variations, ready for testing and deployment. Now, let's bring these visuals to life. Still in the agent mode chat box, let's type a prompt to build your ideal story based on those 9 generated frames. For example, you might type something like, create a short, fast-paced social ad video with a dynamic vibe based on the 9 frames above. Feature at character as the model and at product as the product. Make it a straight, clean-cut, music-based edit. Next, you'll want to select and attach all the frames we just generated. This step matters because it gives the AI the exact visual ingredients it needs to stitch your scenes together accurately. After that, the agent will process your request. It might suggest a few minor adjustments, like cutting down your storyboard from 9 to 7 frames. It's totally normal, and it helps ensure Flow can generate your video smoothly without any hiccups. Before starting the video generation stage, we need to verify your settings. Make sure that the agent has set your video generation model to OmniFlash and confirm your expected aspect ratio is selected. Do not skip this check because it ensures your final video is properly formatted and ready for your campaign. After just about a minute, your full video is complete.
Hi!
The OmniFast model gives us some pretty impressive results here. It animated the scenes, assembled the sequence, added music, and even built a natural rhythm into the edit. This automated output is often ready to post exactly as it is. And the best part? This entire production process happens in just one single interface, all while keeping your visual style and character perfectly consistent. Total time for a first-time editor running this workflow end-to-end, from product image to multi-scene video, is roughly 90 minutes to 2 hours. Once you've done this a few times, the same output takes 45 minutes or less. That is your repeatable content engine. Now, here's where I'm going to give you the part that most tool walkthroughs skip. Limitation 1. The output quality is not agency grade. At least not yet. But the advancement in AI video production tools is moving very quickly. So maybe in the near future, quality can get better. But for now, for top-of-funnel awareness ads and social media content, the quality is more than sufficient. For premium brand campaigns where creative and production value are part of the message, like for luxury goods or high-end services, you'll still want a human creative team. Know which category you're in before you make the switch. Limitation 2. The AI character you created is not your face. If your brand is built on founder authenticity and personal trust, and many great brands are, an AI avatar can undermine that positioning. Use it for product campaigns and supplemental content, but don't replace genuine connection with a synthetic character when authenticity is your differentiator. Limitation 3. Consistency requires discipline. The character identity gives you a consistent face, but this does not automatically give you a consistent brand, voice, message, or visual system. You still need a creative brief and brand guidelines. Remember, the AI tool executes. The strategy is still your job. Risk. Over-reliance on one platform. Right now, this capability lives inside a single tool. Pricing changes, policy changes, or a platform shutdown can break your entire content pipeline overnight. Build your workflows, but also document your assets and keep your source files exportable. Treat the platform as a vendor, not infrastructure. And finally, I want to leave you with a key principle for creating content with AI. The most expensive thing in most content operations is not the tools, it's the coordination cost. The back and forth between brief and feedback, the revision cycles, the waiting. That coordination cost exists because production has always required specialists at every step. What changes with AI-powered content production is not just cost, it's ownership. Your ops team or marketing manager can now own the full pipeline, from asset creation to launch, without a single external dependency. That means faster iteration, tighter feedback loops, and a team that can move at the speed of the market. The founders who are winning right now are not the ones with the biggest creative budgets. They're the ones who built tight, internally owned content workflows and trained their teams to run them independently. If you want to see the exact platform and workflow I walked through today, the link is in the description. If this was useful, please subscribe. We publish practical AI implementation content every week, helping businesses reduce costs and work more efficiently with AI. See you in the next one.